Hello, hello. Welcome back to Jilly's Nails. It's freaking day 30. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I cannot believe I have done 30 manicures in 30 days and recorded them and Instagrammed. And yeah, that's a lot. And I'm so excited. I'm so glad I was able to do that. So, we're going to start off with this polish from Believe Beauty. I don't know if you've tried this or even heard of it yet. It's at the Dollar General. They didn't send it to me. I've seen other beauty influencers talking about the foundation and stuff, which I tried, and by the way, I also like. But I liked this polish enough. I went and bought the whole collection. They're $2.50. And this one is so pretty. For some reason, it does get a little patchy on my thumb. I don't know why. I've got, some. Oh my God, why is my brain not working? Ridges. I've got some ridges in my thumb, and for some reason they seem to settle kind of weird in the ridge. But usually, two coats, maybe a third on my thumb will fix it. But if you see me do three coats, that's why it's a little bit thin. Well, I put on really thin coats too. You could probably do it in two if you used one thicker coat, but I wanted to get this to dry quickly, so I went in pretty thin with it. And you might be able to see, yeah, kind of there towards my cuticle, it gets a little patchy and spotty on my thumb. But I am going through, and look, can we just talk about my nails for a second? Can I just be a little vain for just a second? Don't they look so much better now than they did 30 days ago? 30 days ago, I was breaking them left and right. Every time I turned around, I was chipping off a corner, snapping it, cussing because I broke it on the door, whatever happened. It was just issues. Typing, just typing, snap. So I'm so excited that they actually look like I like them now. I like them a little bit longer, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Over the next month, they'll probably be where I'm at, and then I'll break them again. That's the joys of natural nails with no product on them but polish. They break. It happens. So I'm going back in again with my Sally Hansen Quick Dry Top Coat, and I'm just going to coat everything, kind of thick. I want to make sure it smooths out, which really I don't have that problem with this polish at all. It really is a nice polish, y'all. It's nice. Um, I don't know. I've always kind of liked the less expensive polishes. I'm going to do a wear test on some of these. So let me know if that's something you'd like to see, is a wear test on all the different colors and how they come out. Because I'd be happy to do that for you. I think it would be an interesting video. And we are going to do some stamping today, which I don't think I've mentioned yet because I've just been jabbering along. Um, we're going to do blood drips. Um, I always see these and I always think they're cute. They're not really my style. And right here, I'm not drying my polish. I'm using my dryer to dry the latex barrier. I actually let my polish dry for about 5, 6 minutes before I put it under here. I did not want to risk any bubbling with this at all, although it might not have been horrible in the grand scheme of things, but I didn't want it to. So I let it dry pretty thoroughly before I did that and then just used my nail dryer to dry the liquid latex faster because I did 6 manicures in one weekend. I was really tired and impatient. So we're going back in with the stamp. And this ice cube stamper, okay, I'm just going to say it, and it'll probably make people mad. I don't care. It has a bad rep for no reason. Like, all these people go around, oh, it doesn't work, it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Yes, it freaking works. I've done 30 videos now, and I've used it in almost every single one. It works. You just have to lightly, very lightly, push the stamp across whatever you're trying to pick up. You can't mash into stuff when you're stamping. It has to be just a gentle little kiss on the plate. It may look like it's hard, but I promise it's not. If you watch your fingertips, like if your fingertips look white, you're pressing too hard. It really just needs to be a little gentle roll over the top of it. Um, and that one looks a lot harder than it was, I promise. Just feather light. I promise you it will work. One of the most detailed designs I did was that m- um, Manny, Mummy Manicure. I can't talk. It's late, y'all. I'm tired. Anyway, the Mummy Manicure. And it is incredibly detailed. And if you go in and look at that, it picked up all the lines in the sarcophagus, everything. It's very detailed. So it is a good stamper. It does have a learning curve. It's just a little bit different. But we're going ahead and I'm just doing this as a basic mani. Blood drips across all the nails. Everything doesn't have to be this big, huge, fancy schmancy 4 hour long manicure. You can do this in 30 minutes if you know what you're doing and you got your timing down. It's cute, it's simple. I didn't even really wait for the red polish to dry all the way because I didn't care if it smeared because of the type of mani I was doing. I love it. I think it came out cute. Please don't shoot me for my jibber jabbering. I don't do it all the time, I promise. But if you liked this video, click on my face in the upper left hand corner and subscribe. You can click in the upper right hand corner for more Halloween manicure ideas. And I appreciate you watching. Please share it with your friends. Come back. Thanks. Bye bye.